And we begin first up with the latest on One Nation, One Poll bill that will be tabled by the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal in the Lok Sabha at noon. The BJP has issued a three-line whip to all its MPs to be present for the bill that will be tabled by Arjun Ram Meghwal. So One Nation, One Poll bill, which has been opposed by majority of the Indie bloc leaders, will be tabled in the Lok Sabha by Arjun Ram Meghwal today. So parallelly, while debate is going to take place on day 2 of constitution debate in the Rajya Sabha, a key bill that will be tabled by Arjun Ram Meghwal at noon. Let's go across to Riyanka joining us on the broadcast. Riyanka, all eyes will of course be on this bill that will be tabled by Arjun Ram Meghwal, but talk to us about the kind of statements that have come in from the opposition leaders who've vehemently opposed the One Nation, One Poll pitch by the centre.
See, it is a very, very key highlight of the day from the Lok Sabha, where the central government is all set to table the One Nation, One Poll bill. Now, this bill will be introduced in the Lok Sabha by Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, and then he will be requesting Speaker Om Birla to refer this bill to a joint parliamentary committee of both the houses for further and wider consultations. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to the opposition, we have seen time and again, since the BJP has been talking about introducing this bill, the opposition has vehemently opposed this bill and have said that this will only cause chaos and confusion in the minds of people, and that there will be a biased manner of voting. Now, this bill is very, very crucial because it brings in elections, all the elections that we see, Lok Sabha and Assembly elections of the states together, parallel, voting that will be taking place as per this bill. Now, according to the bill, the appointed date will be after the next Lok Sabha elections, that is in the year of 2029, with simultaneous elections slated to begin from 2034. Now, that is indeed a very, very long-sighted situation that has come up, but it is the BJP's push since the very start to bring in the One Nation, One Poll factor to be consideration, given the fact that they want to avoid any extra spends of money that happens when there are certain many elections happening over the course of these years, and it also helps in policy paralysis that happens. But yes, all eyes will be on this very, very crucial day in the Lok Sabha when Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal will be going ahead and tabling this One Nation, One Election bill.
Right, Riyanka, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you through the day.